In continuing coverage now, the Charlotte-Mecklenburg Police Department mourning the loss of another officer after they took their own life. It's part of a troubling trend now hitting close to home. WCNC Charlotte's Richard Devane now live in West Charlotte this morning. And Richard, it's something we don't talk about enough, but the chief stressing the importance of mental health when it comes to officers.
Yeah, that's all vitally important for these officers who protect and serve their communities. Good morning to you, Ben. Good Tuesday morning, everyone. Here at CMPD, there are a lot of long faces and sadness today after the death of this officer. Now, as we look at video, we can tell you this all happened yesterday, and it was a painful day for CMPD, the men and women in the blue. It happened around 12:30 near a church and cemetery in Steele Creek. Dozens of officers rushing to the area near Charlotte Douglas Airport after finding out a fellow officer had been shot. That officer rushed to the hospital, but he was pronounced dead. That officer had been with the department since 2006, assigned to the K-9 unit. This before joining the force. He also served in the Navy. Chief Johnny Jennings said after an investigation they learned that this was a self-inflicted gunshot wound. He also said this was a tough day for CMPD and stressed the importance of supporting the mental health of those who serve the public.
It's a very sad day for our department. It also stresses the fact of the importance that we talk about every day when it comes to the mental health of our officers and the fact that they see and do things that normal people don't see and do. And that takes its toll.
Yes, it can. Of course, our thoughts and sympathies go out to that officer and his families and everyone here who protects and serves this community. We're in Uptown at CMPD headquarters. Richard Devane, send it back to you.
Yeah, thinking about all of our friends over at CMPD this morning. Richard, thank you. And in the wake of this tragedy, WCNC Charlotte also spoke with mental health and suicide prevention advocate Fonda Bryant. Now, she works with CMPD to teach police how to recognize the signs of somebody in crisis and also how to recognize signs within themselves. Bryant tells us Charlotte officers have a tough job on their hands.
See trauma every single day, and for us, we go to work and do what we do and come home, but for them it's a different story. They see trauma, and that trauma goes with them wherever they go. It can take a profound effect on them.
Bryant believes more needs to be done to get rid of the stigma surrounding mental health. She also wants to make sure officers have the mental health support that they really deserve. And perhaps nothing is more important than this. Remember, if you or a loved one is in crisis, you can call or text the National Suicide Prevention Hotline, the number right there. It's very simple, 988, and you can get connected with someone who can help.